Hey, I'm Chris.
I'm Jim.
Join us as we renovate one of our next houses, this little project behind us. Yeah.
Big job. She's a big job, mate.
So here we are, and today is demo day. Demo the downstairs kitchen. Getting it ready for the new one to go in. So it's all done. We did hit a water pipe just there.
Just there.
There was a nail sitting through it, and as we pulled it out, it just happened to puncture the line. So we're going to fix that. Well, turns out there was actually two, not one. So we're going to go get another fitting and fix. See that? Right there. Another one right through the nail. I got some pipe fittings. What are we going to do this time actually is I'm just going to cap it off for now. We're going to move that plumbing to the right, probably about 300. The kitchen is done. We've got it all out, got the plumbing all sorted. We're just doing a little bit of work on the floor. There's a bit of a problem.
That's my job.
So yeah, then we can start on the bathroom, which is quite the oddball thing. Let's go have a look. Check this out. Look how narrow that is. Almost nothing. You squeeze through here, and it's ratty. So that's the bathroom. That's next. Maybe tomorrow or the day after we'll crack into that. We just stopped at Bunnings on the way home. We're looking for the floor coverings. In particular the vinyl. We think we'll do vinyl planking, but I'm feeling a bit pooped today. Hi. Yeah, so I'm just sitting down here thinking I might go to sleep.